Yo, tap in, tap in. What's going on? What going? Happy New Year. Happy Kwanzaa. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. And I just want to say thank y'all for everybody that is tapping in. And as we said in some previous videos, we are installing gardens that are solar charged and that we trying to use all rainwater and stay away from the city water. I will explain my irrigation in a later video, but today we on a little field trip. We're gonna go down to my cousin's house because I've been helping her get her garden started. She done got stuck, and so the holistic hustler, me and my handy dandy wheelbarrow, we're gonna go down to her house and we're gonna tap in. So y'all tap in with her. All right, y'all, tap in, tap in. So we got our little wheelbarrow loaded. So we're gonna go and walk down the street and we're gonna get this little endeavor done today. So y'all tap in with us. Get our water. All right, y'all, we done made it to the crib, or to her crib, and I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with, because she already been doing a little bit. I've been kind of talking her through it, but today I'm gonna get involved a little bit, so y'all tap in with her. Listen, what I'm about to do, please do not do this at home. If you are not skilled with a circle saw or a skill saw, please do not do what I'm about to do. This has come from years of working, dealing with saws, dealing with wood, and being taught by some of the best, in my opinion. My grandfather, my father, and some of the father figures along the way. So please do not do this at home if you're not comfortable with dealing with a saw.
Something good gonna happen in this year.